Have you ever wondered how a Titan watch is made? Today, let's step inside the factory where every second a legendary watch is born. Step 1. Design and prototyping. Every Titan watch begins with design. Using CAD software, expert designers create 3D models. A prototype is then built to test comfort, style, and looks. Step 2. Component manufacturing. Do you know? A Titan watch is made up of over 200 to 300 tiny parts. The strong case is crafted from stainless steel or titanium. The dials are printed or painted with precision. Ultralight hands are stamped into shape, and the straps, made from real leather or durable metal links, are carefully finished. Step 3. Movement manufacturing, the heart of the watch. Now comes the heart of the watch, the movement. Quartz movement, powered by battery. Mechanical movement, made of dozens of gears, springs, and jewels, all assembled under microscopes. Everything is built inside dust-free clean rooms, because even a tiny particle can affect accuracy. Step 4. Assembly. Next, skilled technicians assemble the watch. The movement is placed inside the case, the dial and hands are attached, the glass is fixed, and the back cover sealed tightly. Finally, the straps are added, and the watch is complete. Step 5. Quality control and testing. But Titan doesn't just stop there. Every watch goes through strict testing. Time accuracy, water resistance, shock resistance, and scratch durability. Only the best watches pass through these tests. Step 6. Branding and packaging. Finally, the Titan logo is engraved. The watch is polished, cleaned, and packed into signature Titan boxes, ready to reach your wrist. So the next time you wear a Titan watch, remember, it's not just a timepiece. It's a story of art, precision, and dedication. For more inspiring stories like this, comment and subscribe at Legends Unfold.